भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, dear viewers, and welcome back to Logical Guru, the show where we simplify complex legal cases and bring you the most compelling dramas from across the India. Tonight, we bring you a case that speaks the heart and reaffirms the right of our senior citizens Urmila Dikshit and Sunil Sharan Dikshit, a 2025 Supreme Court verdict that set an important precedent. Now my question to you is that can a parent reclaim a property gifted to their child if the promise of care is broken? What powers do authorities have under the law to protect the elderly? Let's break it down for you. In September 2019, Urmila Dikshit, a senior citizen, gifted her property to her son Sunil Sharan Dikshit. But this wasn't an unconditional gift. The gift deed clearly stated that Sunil would maintain his mother and father for the rest of their lives. A separate promissory note called a Vachan Patra reinforced this promise. But this promise was not kept. In December 2020, Urmila Dikshit approached the sub-divisional magistrate under Section 23 of the Maintenance and Welfare of the Parent and Senior Citizens Act 2007.
बस अभी 12th खत्म हुई थी और अब आधे से ज्यादा टाइम ये सोचकर निकाल देते हो कि विच करियर टू चूज. वेल, इन दैट केस आई गॉट यू कवर्ड. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, क्या पता आई विल जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड. यू मस्ट हैव थॉट ऑफ कोई बस ऐसा कोर्स मिल जाए जहाँ अनलिमिटेड जॉब ऑप्शंस हो, क्योंकि मैं भी यही सोचती थी. जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट, न्यूज एंकर, रेडियो जॉकी, स्क्रीन राइटर, वीडियो एडिटर, इवेंट मैनेजर, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, सिनेमैट, फोटोग्राफर, डायरेक्टर, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर, एंटरप्रेन्योर. इनफैक्ट इन सबसे भी ज्यादा जॉब ऑप्शंस चाहिए. तो जस्ट चूज BAJMC एज योर करियर. BAJMC is not just about theory but plenty of practical knowledge too. BAJMC as a course आपको provide करता है world की better understanding, meeting और working with people of top notch industry. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, BAJMC as a course आपको help करता है to grow personally and professionally too. So what are you waiting for? Choose BAJMC क्योंकि इधर आपको मिलेंगी endless possibilities.
Alleging mistreatment and lack of care, she sought cancellation of the gift deeds. Her plea was accepted. The deed was declared null and void. The son appealed the decision first to the collector, then to the High Court, while a single judge bench upheld the cancellation. A divisional bench reversed it. The matter firmly reached the Supreme Court of India in January 2025. In January 2025, a two-judge bench led by Justice Sanjay Karol and Justice Chaudhary T. Ravi Kumar delivered to the final ruling. The Supreme Court upheld the mother's right to reclaim the property. It ruled that the gift deed was cancelled because the condition of maintenance was not fulfilled. Authorities under Section 23 have the power to order eviction and restore possession to the senior citizen. Now let us understand the reasoning behind the judgment. This court held the Maintenance and Welfare of Parent Senior Citizens Act 2007 is a piece of beneficial legislation created to protect elderly citizens from neglect and exploitation. Referring to earlier cases like K.H. Nazar and versus Matthew K. Jacob 2019 and Sutesh Chiltkara versus Ramati Devi 2022, the court emphasized two essential conditions under Section 23, that the property must be transferred with the condition that the transferee will maintain the transferor. The transferee must have failed to fulfill this obligation. Both conditions were met in the district court. Both conditions were met in the Dikshit case. The court was also clarified the authorities under the Act can only cancel the deed but also order the eviction of the non-compliant child and restore the possession to the parent. A conditional gift was revoked to the conditions are not honored. The law reconciles the right and parent and senior citizens to be cared for. Authorities under the Act are empowered to take swift and effective action. The Constitution supports the cause of the social justice, including the right of the parent to live with dignity. To conclude, the case of Urmila Dikshit is more than a legal battle. It is a reminder that the elderly are not alone. The law stands with them, ready to protect their dignity, safety, and rights. That's all for the episode of Logical Guru. Join us next time where we break down more real legal stories that shape our world.